18 million people in England and all 3 million who live in Wales have seen extra COVID restrictions come into force today. As ministers said, a new variant of coronavirus is out of control. In England, areas within the new Tier 4 include London, Kent and most of Essex. People should stay home. Non-essential shops as well as gyms and hairdressers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is well in today. Ladies and gentlemen, introduce my name is Aldiena Khairunnisa. I'm from 10 Mipa 2 in SMN 1 Godean. Here, I want to telling story about gardening as a solution. One day, Nana and her mother were chatting on the porch of her house. They talked about the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Over time, Nana is getting bored staying at home during the coronavirus pandemic. Her mother, who saw Nana gloomy, tried to comfort her and invite her to talk. What happened, Nana? Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine, Mom, but I'm just bored. Bored why? Try telling me. How can I not be bored? I have to stay at home every day. Break school and vacation only at home. Be patient, Nana. By the way, the coronavirus is still there or not, Mom? The coronavirus is still there, even the cases are getting worse. Huh? But the coronavirus, it is dangerous, Mom. Yes, the coronavirus is very dangerous. In fact, almost every day, there are the cases of death by the coronavirus. So we have to stay at home, so we don't get to the coronavirus. After hearing an explanation about the dangers and the ways of preventing the transmission of the coronavirus, Nana understood that the importance of just being at home. However, Nana was still bored at home and want to do something. But I'm still bored at home. Do you have any solution, Mom? Yes, I have any solution. What it is, Mom? I'm very curious. Immediately tell me, please. Suddenly, Nana's mother got up and invited Nana to her yard. Her mother pointed to the plant seed that was above the ground. This is the solution. Plant seeds. Yes, right. That is the right solution to get rid of water in the pressure. You mean gardening? That's right. Let's help me plant on the seed of the plant. Finally, Nana and her mother planted on the seed until everything was finished. Nana is very passionate about planting plant seeds. She also plants them with a happy heart. It's great! Now I'm not bored anymore. But don't forget, you have to take care of all these seeds. Ready, Mom? I promise to take care of all these seeds until they bear fruit. Good job, my daughter. Thank you, Mom, for your providing the right solution. Now I'm not bored anymore. Even though I have to stay at home. You're welcome, my daughter. Finally, Nana started to pursue her gardening activities. Until now, she has become more excited about living in a pandemic era. She realized that there is a solution behind all the problem. Thank you very much for your attention. Happy 34th birthday of SMEN 1 Godean. I hope the chapter the mix ends and school soon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.